The center eyebrow and the 3 LED torches. The brand new Mercedes-Benz key. This is the long wheelbase. If I unlock the door, they pop out. There we go. We have dynamical movement also when turning the indicator, as you see.
Our new active ambient light. The trim part that starts in the front, it extends around the sides and you can see it coming back down in the middle, in the back. You really create this lounge feeling here. You can just release it. It will come out, a direct link to the system in front of you, and everything you do here also happens on your screen. Creates this like embracing atmosphere that invites you to just relax in the car and enjoy the nice interior.
Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with the new S-Class again. And why? Because I've already told you in my previous video, I am doing a full interior walk around. As you see, this is not the exact same model we had in the first video. This one doesn't have the AMG line, this is the stock Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is also painted in high-tech silver exterior paint. We have different wheels on that. These are 20-inch multi-spoke rims. And let me just do a quick walk around, and afterwards we will be doing a full interior review. So here we have the Mercedes-Benz S-Class front, the updated headlights, the new grille, as you already know, the S-Class headlight unit, as you see, the center eyebrow and the 3 LED torches, the digital light, which is optional, which looks super cool with the blue. Additional details, the Mercedes-Benz front grille, as you see, we have 3 horizontal lines here and 1 center one. We have all these covers for the system packages, for the camera as well, and then we have the Mercedes-Benz badge, which is not on the grille anymore, and we have the Mercedes-Benz star on the bonnet as always. Then we have the front bumper, as you see, with several horizontal stripes finished in black gloss, plus the additional chrome parts which give this car a more elegant look. We have the front skirt finished in chrome, as you see. All in all, beautiful front and still looks sporty, even though it's not the AMG line. So now, just a quick one, let me show you the side of this beautiful Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the long wheelbase. We'll show you in the interior, and let me just continue here with the rims. As I already mentioned, 20-inch Mercedes-Benz multi-spoke rims. We have them here finished in silver. In the inside we have it in black. You see they look more thin, but if you move closer you see the black parts which make it more bold. All in all, love these, look very elegant and fit to the overall look. The exterior paint, as you see, we have no night package, all finished in chrome, which suits perfectly to the S-Class look. The door handles, we have none, the seamless ones. If I unlock the door, they pop out. Let me just do that quick for you. There we go. Mercedes-Benz engraved in there, finished in chrome, which looks super nice. Now the rear wheels, again 20-inch multi-spoke ones, finished in silver. The inside is black. Suit the overall look, look nice, but I prefer the other ones. Now let me show you the rear of the updated Mercedes-Benz S-Class. As you see, here we have the new and updated tail lights. These kind of remind me of the Mercedes-Benz CLS. We have small little LED pins inside. These are 116, I guess, and look very nice. We have dynamical movement also when turning the indicator, as you see. I'll also demonstrate you that. We have the chrome part here, the S-Class look, Mercedes-Benz stuff finished in chrome. The exhaust tips all finished in chrome, no plastic parts or else, which I really love on the S-Class. And that's it for a fast walk around. Let me now step inside and show you more of the interior. First of all, unlocking the car with the brand new Mercedes-Benz key. This one is finished in chrome, which looks super sick. Really love that the back of it is finished in black gloss. The rest in chrome, and we have the buttons also, the big Mercedes star. It's also to lock the car, unlock. Then we have the door handles popping out. And now time to step inside Mercedes-Benz S-Class interior. So it's now time to present you the beautiful interior. For that I will be stepping inside with a special guest on my right hand side here from the design team. Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you doing?
I'm good.
What are you going to show us here inside the Mercedes-Benz S-Class? Is there anything specific?
Sure. So when you look at the whole interior, the new S-Class sets a new benchmark here. We introduce a complete new interior architecture, and this is of course very central part is the display. So we have a dashboard where the instrument panel and the dashboard basically merge. They become not as high anymore, the surfaces are steeper, and you see that you have a very nice curve here from the front going down and opening up into this space. The whole dashboard extends to the side. We have a new interpretation of this wraparound effect you know from Mercedes-Benz. And of course, this creates this like embracing atmosphere that invites you to just relax in the car and enjoy the nice interior. Of course, we see here in the top our new active ambient light, and in the center console we have our OLED display with the new MBUX system. That's available on all 4 seats.
Yes.
And when we talk about the seats, of course, with this new 4D sound system, they are integrated in each seat, and then you can really feel what's happening when you turn up your volume.
Great. And how does that work? Is there a speaker inside the seat?
So in each seat there is an inciter integrated in the backrest, and you can manually set how strong this effect shall be on your sound. We have this new algorithm that allows you to customize the sound experience to your personal preferences.
Awesome. Is there also something special on this steering wheel that we should know?
So the steering wheel itself is also new. We have the new touch controls here on the side. You have the right side that controls the head unit and the entertainment functions, and on the left side you can control your distronic and your instrument cluster.
Awesome. Also, it's finished in a leather trim and also in black gloss, which looks super nice and merges perfectly with the airbag cover, plus this steering wheel frame, which is also finished in black gloss.
Yes, for the materials, we have a huge selections of colors for the outside as well as for the interior materials. You have leathers in various colors, and of course you see here the trim parts that are available in different types. The whole part that's surrounding you, it remembers a little bit like a yacht cockpit. So and you see the trim part that starts in the front, it extends around the sides, and you can see it coming back down in the middle in the back, and you really create this lounge feeling here. So in the back you can also use the seat to put it into a relaxing position. So the front seat basically folds down forward, and you can very comfortably ride in the back on the boss seat basically. We can have a look in the back if that's...
Yeah, sure.
okay.
Let's switch seats. And now it's time to show you more of the rear seats. For that we're going to step inside now. And is there anything specific you want to show?
Sure, you can have the whole entertainment system also in the back. It's one system. You have the possibility to share content from the back seat to the driver's seat or vice versa. So you basically can share what you're hearing easily from one seat to the next. Of course, you can also just connect your Bluetooth headphones and enjoy your private music in the back seat. As I mentioned before, you have a remote control for your entertainment system. It's here in this tablet in the center console. You can just release it. It will come out, and then you can use it. And if the front seat is further away, or you want to just lean a little bit back, you can use the system to control everything you see on the screen. You have a direct link to the system in front of you, and everything you do here also happens on your screen in the front.
Awesome. And what about the MBUX system? Does it also interact with the people in the back seats?
Sure. So on each of the seats you can talk to the MBUX system. The system has microphones, and it will detect who is talking to it. So I can say, hey Mercedes, play some music, and then the system knows that's me talking, and it will activate the music system.
Awesome. Do we also have the 4D sound system inside the seats as well as in the back seats?
Sure.
And what is special on the door panels?
So
Could you
you
explain us?
you see the door panel. It's kind of floating above the side of the door. You see the highlight of the ambient light color that's highlighting here the lines in the panel, and also of course giving you a nice indication to find like the door handle and all the controls for the seat. Here there's the control to just activate the relaxing position. I can just press this button and you see the front seat retracting. It will fold into itself and then it will extend basically a little footrest, and my seat will slide down and I can just put up my feet and really enjoy this lounge atmosphere that's created by our wonderful interior design.
But this is only an option for the long wheelbase.
So you see it's extending here, and then I can really relax and have a very comfortable ride.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Is there also something we missed out?
So one feature I can show you is that of course we still have our tables and the armrest. As an option you can just pull out the table here and then of course do some working, maybe have a meal, just enjoy the ride. And all in all, the whole interior basically, it gives you this warm feeling of pleasant ride, and of course you just want to relax and enjoy it.
Huge thanks.
You're welcome.
So that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching as much as I did. As a resume, I have to say I really enjoy the new and latest Mercedes S-Class, especially the interior, the well-being, that it's being so driver focused now. How did you guys like it? Is there anything you didn't like? Please comment it down below. In my opinion, the S-Class is setting whole new standards and levels for the whole automotive industry. And I think we'll be seeing a lot of the technology of this Mercedes-Benz S-Class in future models such as the C-Class or compact cars and A-Class, since the S-Class is always known as the automotive pioneer for the Mercedes-Benz model range. So all in all, I hope you all enjoyed, and looking forward to read all your comments and to see you all again. Wish you all a great day. I will be back.